Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some arithmetic on train. We have already discussed 10 problems. Today we shall begin with question number 11, and that is like this. 250 meter long train. The length of the train is 250 meter. So 250-meter long train crosses a platform of length 350 meters in 50 seconds. Could understand? Find the time for a train to cross a bridge of 230 meter.
A man is studying.
Oh, find the time for the train. What is it?
11.
11. To 250-meter long train passes a platform length 350 meters in 50 seconds. Find the time for the train to cross a bridge up to where is man? Man is not given. Why are you talking this and that? Okay. Put your finger on the question so that you may not make mistake. So, first, he crossed 250 plus 350 meter distance because the length of the train is 250 and the length of the platform is 350. Could understand? Could understand or not? So 250 plus 350 is how many? 600. 600 meter is crossed in 50 seconds. Could understand? Could understand? And in the second instance, that train passes a platform that is the length is 230. That means 230 plus 250 is equal to 480. This is the first distance, this is the second distance. The train passes. Now let's calculate how much time the train takes or does the train take to cross 230 meter length platform. So 600 meter, as per the question, 600 meter crosses in how many seconds? That is 50 seconds. 50 seconds. 1 meter will cross 50 upon 600. Therefore 480 meters will be passed into 480. 0 cancelled. 6 8 that is equal to 40 seconds. The right answer is, tell me, which is the right answer?
Number 3.
Number 3 is the right answer, that is 40 seconds. Could understand? Next. 12. Number 12. 60 meter long train crosses a tunnel of length of 40 meter in 10 seconds. Find the time for the train to cross. Standing on a cross, what?
A man is standing.
Yeah, cross a man. Yes. Standing on a platform of length 65 meter. Could understand? Very easy. The length of the train and the tunnel both is equal to 60 plus 40 is equal to 100. Okay. Distance covered 1 meter in 10 seconds. 100 meter is covered in how many seconds? 10 seconds. Right? Passing a man, that is passing length 60. So passing a man means passing its own length, that is 60. 1 meter is equal will be covered 10 upon 100. So passing its length is 60. So 60 will be covered 10 upon 100 into 60. So 0, 0, 00 cancel 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Could understand? So what is the time? Right answer is
Number 1.
number 1. That is number 1. Number 1. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to question number 13. Could you understand? And 13 number is like the 2 trains start at the same time from Patna and Goya. Suppose this is P and Goya. This is Patna and Goya. And proceeded towards each other at the rate of 60 per kilometer. The speed is 60 km per hour and this is 40 km per hour. Right? Per hour. Per hour. In a per hour respectively. When they meet, that is when they meet.
Yes.
When they meet, it is found that
Meet
one
for comma.
It is found that one train has travelled 20 km more than the other. Find the distance between Goya and Patna. Could understand? This is 60 kilometer and this is 100 kilometer. If they make 1 hour journey, they will cross 60 plus 40 is equal to 100 kilometer. Right? 100 kilometer. And when they met, it is found that one is crossed 60, another is crossed 40, and one has already crossed 20 kilometers. So, as everything is satisfied, the length of the or the what is asked. So, the distance between Goya and Patna is 100 kilometers. Right? Which is correct?
Number 1.
Right, number 1. Next, 2 trains A and B are 110 kilometers apart on a straight line. This is a straight line. Here is a train A, here is a train B. It is 110 kilometers long. Could you understand? Long. By 8 a.m., so at one train starts from A at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Right. And it travels towards B at 20 km speed. Speed is equal to 20 km per hour. Another train starts from B. From here, B, this is B train at what a.m.? 8 a.m. and travels towards A at 25 km per hour. Could you understand? One starts its journey at 7 a.m. Another starts its journey at 8 a.m. after 1 hour. Could you understand? By the time B train starts its journey, A has already crossed 1 hour. So that is 20 km. It is crossed. That is 20 km. Could you understand? By 8 a.m., A train has already crossed 20 km. The rest is 100 minus 20 is equal to 90 km. To be covered by both the trains. They are moving in opposite direction. So their speed will be added up. Their speed is equal to relative speed is equal to relative speed. Speed is 20 plus 25 is equal to 45 kilometer. Could understand? So distance what way is covered? So 45 kilometer is covered in how many? In 3,600 seconds. 1 kilometer is covered 3,600 upon 45. Therefore, 90 kilometer will be covered 3,600 40 upon 45 into 90. 90. Could you understand it? Is equal to how many? It is 2. Is equal to 77,200 second or 2 hours. Right? The right answer is, which is the right? 2 hours. After 2 hours they will meet. Could you understand it? After 2 hours, that is 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 at 10 am. But A has already started 1 hour before. 1 hour plus 2 hours, 3 hours plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 am. So right answer is 10 am. At 10 am they will meet each other. Could you understand? Okay, number 2 is correct.
B and D that.
B, that is B, this is T. Okay, we shall do it. This is B. Okay. T. Okay. Next, question number 15. What did I say? Question number 15. Two stations A and B are 60 km apart. The distance is 60 km. A and B. On a straight line, a train starts from A towards B. B towards B at the rate of 20 km. This is 20 km per hour. 3 hours later, after 3 hour, another train starts from B and travels towards A at the rate of 25 km. Right? Could you understand? Second. So first A began its journey. It continued its journey for 3 hours. That means it covered 20 into 3 is equal to 60 kilometers. That means it already covered 60 kilometers. Could you understand? He started its journey. Could you understand? And continued for 3 hours. That means per kilometer it covers 20. In 3 kilometers, in 1 hour it covers 20 kilometers. In 3 hours it will cover 60 kilometers. That means that A train reached B after 3 hours. So, and I will start the B and it will at the rate of 20. When will the first made to the second train? By the time B starts its journey, that train A reached the destination. Could you understand? So, the train A reaches the destination before the train B starts its journey. So, their meeting point is will the first meet when they will first meet to the second train. In how many hours? 3 hours? In 3 hours. Because A covers a distance in 3 hours and it is by the time the B begins its journey. So the meeting hour is just 3 hours. Right? So which is correct? Number
3.
Number 3 is correct. Very peculiar question.
3 hours. 3 hours.
What is?
3 number
3. Okay. Just 1 minute. That is 3 hours. Okay, done. Next one is that is 16. A train traveling at a uniform speed clears a platform 2 meter long in
200 meters.
200 meter, right? 200 meter long in 10 seconds. And passes a telegraph pole in 60 seconds. Find the length of the train and its speed. Could you understand? A train traveling a uniform. Suppose the length of the train is x. Could you understand? Clears a platform 2 number, that means x plus 200. In how many seconds? 10 seconds. 10 seconds. This is the distance. Okay. And 10 second is the time. Could you understand? Could you understand or not? And passes a telegraph post in a passes its length, that is 2, passes its x, and time is equal to 6. Could you understand? So we know that what did I say? We know that this is the distance, this is the time. Could you understand? So what is asked speed? So speed means what? Distance by time. So x plus 200 upon 10. This is the distance, this is the time. Is equal to, the train has the same speed. Could you understand? That is x upon 6. Could you understand? Is equal to, let's make a cross multiplication. 6 into x plus 200 is equal to 10x. Implies that 6x plus 1200 is equal to 10x. Implies that 10x minus 6x is equal to 1200. Implies that 4x is equal to 1200. Therefore, x is equal to 1200 upon 4 is equal to 300. The length of the train is equal to 300. Could you understand? 300. The length of the train is 300. Right? So the train covers in 60 seconds 300. That means, so we will calculate its speed. So in 60 seconds it covers 300 as per the question. Because when it passes a man, that means it crosses its length. Its length is 300. So it covers it in 6 seconds. So in 60 seconds the train covers 300. In 1 second 300 upon 60. In 1 hour, that is 3600 seconds. 3600. That is 600. 300, 600, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0 means 180 kilometer. Could you understand? So length 300, this is 180 kilometer, 180 kilometer, right? And its length 300. The right answer is, which is right? 300 meter and 180 kilometer per hour. This is the right answer. Number 1 is the correct answer, right? Number 16. So another is, now we shall do question number 17. Two trains A and B are 95 km apart on a straight line. Could you understand? 90 kilometer kimi. Distance is, this is the distance. A and B. A and B. Right? A train starts from A, travels towards B at 35, that is this one 35 km per hour. Another train starting from B 30 minutes earlier travels towards A 40 km. This is 40 km per hour. B train begins 30 minutes before the right time. That means by the time A starts its journey, B has already completed half minutes, 30 minutes journey. That is one in 1 hour B covers 40 kilometer in half an hour, or that is in 30 minutes. It must have covered 40 upon 2 is equal to 20 kilometer. That means B 20 kilometer. Could you understand? By the time first train begins its journey, B has completed or crossed 20 kilometers. So 90 minus 20 is equal to 70 kilometers. This is 70 kilometers will be covered by both the trains, and they are moving in opposite direction. So that is 35 plus 40 is equal to how many? This is 95. Question is 95. Now this is 95, right? 95. This is 75. Could understand? So 75 kilometer. Their relative speed is 75 kilometer per hour. Could understand?
95.
This is 95. Thank you. This is 95. So when will they meet the second train? So let's calculate it. 75 kilometer is covered in how many hours? In 7 kilometer covered in 1 hour, you know. Would understand? So 1 hour will be covered 71. Sorry. 75 upon no. Required time is your time means, you know, time means distance by speed. Distance is equal to 75, speed is equal to 75 is equal to 1 hour. Could understand? The right answer is, which is the right answer?
Number 2.
2, that is 1 hour. Could understand? Thank you. Next, question number 18. Two trains of the same length but with different speeds passes static in 5 seconds and 6 seconds respectively. Respectively. In what time they cross?
In what time will they cross?
Yes, what will they cross, right? Will they cross each other when they are moving in the same direction? Could you understand?
In the same
direction, yes. So let the length of the train be x. Let the length of the train be x. Distance, so distance difference, this is a distance, first distance, that is x, that means x distance, time or speed is equal to distance by 5 time, and time is equal to 5. Similarly, the second instance, x, that is speed x by 6 and time is equal to 6. Could you understand? Relative speed is equal to relative speed. Could you understand? Is equal to, they are in the same direction, so relative speed is equal to x upon 5 minus x minus 6 is equal to LCM 30 Could you understand? 30 divided by 5 is 6. Here is 6x minus 30 divided by 6 is 5. Here 5x. 5x is equal to 1 by 30. X by 30. X upon 30. So length is equal to length of the train. Length of the two train x plus x is equal to 2x. Could you understand? So time is equal to, you know, this is the distance. Then length means distance. So time is equal to distance by what? Speed is equal to 2x upon or divided by x upon 30 is equal to 2x into 30 upon x. X cancel is equal to 60. Could you understand? 60 second. This is 60 second. Means 1 minute. That is 1 minute. Could you understand? The answer is, which is the answer? 1?
Have 1 minute.
1 minute. Which number is correct?
Number 3.
Number 3 is correct. Could you understand? Similarly, another sum, that is 19. Two trains of the same length but with different speeds pass a static pole. P-O-L-E pole. Right? Pole in 6 seconds and 9 seconds respectively. In what time will they cross each other when they are moving in the same direction? So it is like question number 18. You can do it. Similarly, question number 20. Two trains of the same length but with different speeds pass a static pole in 4 seconds and 8 seconds. In what time will they cross each other when they are moving in the opposite direction? It is also the same. They were in the same direction. It is in the opposite direction. You will just calculate the relative speed by adding it to their speeds. Next one is 21. It is 20 number 20 is also the same as number 18 and 19. Two trains, now let's move to 21. Two trains of the same length but with different speeds pass a static pole in 10 seconds and 15 seconds. In what time will they cross each other when they are running? This is running. What did I say? This is running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. Running in the opposite direction. This is also similar to question number 18, 19 and 20. So you can do it. It's not difficult. I have done one of them. Could understand? So with this, that is the end of today's math class. We shall discuss the other maths on train in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.